अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning and very beautiful seashell wreath ideas. These are most unique and super amazing seashell wreath decoration ideas. These are very unique and very stunning and most beautiful seashell decoration ideas for you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel. These are very stunning and very beautiful and outclass seashell wreath ideas for you guys. So remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. These are incredible and most amazing seashell decoration ideas for you guys for your home decor. Thank you for supporting my channel, viewers. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very beautiful and these are very amazing and very stunning seashell wreath decoration ideas for you guys. Follow for more details and keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are very amazing and these are very unique and very perfect seashell wreath ideas for you guys. So guys, follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. And if you want different other seashell craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are incredible and super amazing, most beautiful and classy seashell wreath ideas for you guys, and I hope so you guys like this video. If you like this video, then you must click the like button and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. Always remember me in your prayers. These are very stunning and very beautiful and very classy seashell wreath decoration ideas for you guys. So guys, follow for more details, and these are very unique and very amazing ideas for you guys. And you also watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of seashell wreath decoration ideas for your home. So first, please subscribe my channel, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very stunning and very pretty collection for you guys. So viewers, always take care and remember me in your prayers. These are very beautiful, very amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz guys.